my gosh. Oh.
We're having issues.
Having issues here? Okay, we're back in. And we're in. And we most definitely had some issues. It started out pretty great. The couple pretty great things happened. For one, the wind guard performed very well. There's hardly any wind sound. I'm pretty pumped about that. And for two, it's probably the best footage I've gotten so far. So there's a little bit of that skew. I've got it on the hyper or the super wide lens, and sometimes it looks like we're going faster than we actually were, but pretty happy. Just a couple more things to dial. Yeah, pretty fun, short little ride out with my brother. His first time out on the trail this year, so, but there was definitely some issues. We'll see that later. All right, we're rolling. Tom, do I have your verbal consent to record you? What's up, guys? We're in. Yep.
We're in. This way.
This way. Everything's a kicker, Tommy. Yeah! So already you can hear that free hub kind of ratcheting like it shouldn't. And there's a tick and some pinging that has kind of picked up. We'll see how that progresses. Except maybe when you're going uphill, that makes it harder.
A little harder.
There's some nice kickers on this though.
Oh, there's the pasta.
Like Michael Scott eating Alfredo.
Yeah.
Won't be the first time you puked on this trail system though.
Not, well, maybe on a bike.
Yeah, first time on bike.
Okay, it's on bike before.
don't like that sound. Bing!
Oh,
Just does not sound right. Oop, I'm gonna hop in front of you.
So listening back to it, I can really hear the creaks and strains and the mechs. It just seems like it's slapping around down there. And I cased that rock pretty hard, which really shouldn't do anything. It's set up to do that, but kind of a sign of things to come.
this one's got some pedal buffers. I love the stakes of the plank bridge.
Yeah. Like the high stakes of it.
It's like, you know, it's easy to do, but don't you go down.
Yep.
How do you do that fast?
Well, the sign says go slow, so. Uh-oh. Good bail.
Thanks.
Yeah.
One was either ride it out on my face.
Yeah, no good doing that. Oh yeah, that was a kicker, Tommy. Good kicker.
Trying to tighten these brakes.
Oh. Woo!
It's good to be back.
Good to be there.
What do we got left on this one?
It just goes around there. We're pretty much to the top. There's nothing else. It's got a biker back here. Hey.
Woo! Yeah. This one might, you know, feeling my vibes.
Oh yeah.
Might be a good one to call it on this one.
Yeah. I think that sounds good. First one out.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Things are really starting to go amiss now. My back wheel just locked up, but then it kind of freed itself on the roll, so I just kept rolling.
Having issues here? Okay, we're back in. And we're in.
This moment marks the beginning of the end.
I was hearing something bad, and that's bad. Wonder how that happened.
Yeah, it sounds bad.
Okay, so we got to get the derailleur out of the spokes. Feels like the rear wheel was not seated. Oh yeah, bent derailleur it looks.
Inbound.
Okay,
There's one behind me.
okay. All right, so we've got a bent derailleur. Probably shouldn't do any more jumps. I know that guy.
No more jumps. That's good advice.
Ah. Cool move. Cool move. That was sick.
That guy's name is. Okay.
Break that wheel all the way off that tree. Sick.
All right, guys. So broke my bike.
Broke my body.
Broken down just to be rebuilt.
Here we go.
Stronger. We can fix it. We have the technology.
Stronger, better, faster.
Sign off for now. Gonna limp this thing home. All right, so rolled down the trail and it did it again. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to solve this. That's pretty much trashed. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm going to scooter this mug home. Look at that, broke right off. Crazy. Well, I guess I know what parts I'm gonna get next. Sheared it right off. Okay, makes it easy to decide what to buy. I think I'll be able to scooter it though. So
Ooh!
yeah,
Yeah, you're gonna need a new one of those, Ben.
sheared that pup.
There's no
Oh, you know what
repairing
I'll
that
do?
guy. Is it Dior?
Yeah.
Upgrade.
So what I don't want it to do is go back into the wheel. So if I could hook this on here, I might put my seat.
So it wasn't the wheel.
Well,
It was the Yeah, that thing was pretty loud when it finally cracked, huh?
crack, crack.
And we're scootering.
Like for kids baseball.
None.
Probably not doing any. Are they gonna do like?
All right, that was a very successful ride. We got home all in one piece. At least I brought home all the pieces. Got some research to do, what to buy, what to fix. But I don't mind that. Got to do it quick though so we can get back on the road. See you on the internet.